Now our final plate is ready. Hello everyone, I am Anita. Today I am going to show you how to make masala rice in Maharashtrian style. For this we require matar, tindora or ebi, coriander, chili, garlic, ginger, crushed, tomato chopped, curd, rice, I washed it, ghee, turmeric powder, salt, garam masala, bay leaf, turmeric and cumin seeds and sugar or good. First I take a rice, wash it thoroughly and keep aside for 10 minutes. Now I take a cooker, pressure cooker. Now I am going to add it in ghee. Now I have added pure ghee and oil and let it heat for 3 minutes. Now oil is heated well. Now I am going to add bay leaf. Now I am going to add cumin seeds. Now I have added cumin seeds. Let it fry it well. Now I will add ginger garlic chili paste into it. Now I will add curry leaves. I will add matar. Now I will add tendli or ebi grass. Now let it cook it well. Now I am going to add tomatoes. Also I am adding coriander. Now I am mixing it well. Let it fry for another 3 minutes. Now I am adding turmeric powder. Also I am adding little bit chili powder. Now again mix it well. Now I am adding little curd into it. Also I am adding garam masala. Any garam masala. I used here homemade garam masala. Now I am going to mix it well again. Now I am adding rice into it. Now I have mixed the rice. Now I am going to add coriander. Also I am going to add water in it. Now I am adding water into it. Also I am going to add salt. Now I am adding the salt. Add the salt as per your taste. Also I am adding turmeric and ghee. You can add sugar also. Now I have added water. Just add the water, double the rice. Now I am going to close the lid and make it 3 whistles. I have closed the lid. Now I am going to make 3 whistles on a high flame, medium high flame. Hello everyone. Now I am going to show you how to make tomato sour. For this we require tomato puree, coconut milk, chili powder, salt, ghee, cumin seeds, curry leaves and garlic. Now I'm going to add oil into it. Let it heat for 2 minutes. Now my oil is heated well. Now I'm going to add cumin seeds. Now cumin seeds fried well. Now I'm going to add garlic into it. Now my garlic is fried well. Now I am adding curry leaves. Now I am adding tomato puree. Mix it well. I used here ready-made tomato puree. If you want to do it in a home, take 2 to 3 tomatoes and mixture it and drain it well. Now I am adding chili powder. Just add a chili powder how spicy you want. Now I am going to add coconut milk into it. Now mix it well. Now I am adding salt. Add the salt as per your taste. Now mix it well. Now let it cook for 3 minutes. Now I am going to add water into it. Add the water how thick or thin you want the curry or sour as per your choice. How much consistency you want, you just add that water. Now let it cook for another 5 minutes. I have covered the sour with a lid and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Now the tomato sour is cooked well. Now I am going to off the gas and I am going to plate it. Now our final plate is ready.